After MBBS, do you also dream of high salaries like up to 1 crore INR and a good work-life balance, working in a world-class facility in a country like Australia? Well, if you are interested in practicing medicine in Australia, then understanding the available registration pathways is absolutely essential. Hello everyone, welcome to MedPrep by Academically. Today I'll walk you through the 4 official pathways to become doctor in Australia, so you know exactly where to start and what steps to take. So let's dive right in. Okay, so there are 4 key pathways for international medical graduates. First, standard pathway. Second, competent authority pathway. Third, specialist pathway, including expedited specialist pathway and specialist recognition and specialist area of need. And then the fourth, short-term training in a medical specialty pathway. And we'll explore each one briefly. So first up, we have the standard pathway, which is for IMGs or who are seeking general registration and have a medical degree from a school recognized by the AMC. Now, to be eligible for this, you must need MBBS or a relevant degree completed from any recognized college or university around the world. In this pathway, you will need to pass the AMC MCQ exam and the AMC clinical exam. So once you have successfully completed both, you can apply for registration with AHPRA, the Australian Health Practitioner Regulation Agency, and start working as an RMO or JMO in Australia. And at Academically, we help doctors like you clear the AMC MCQ and clinical exams and pave the way to a dream career in Australia. Visit the link in the description to learn more about our courses today. Now, next is the competent authority pathway. So this is also for those seeking general registration, but here's the catch. Now, you must have completed your medical qualification and assessment under a recognized competent authority. So these include the General Medical Council UK, including PLAB or GMC accredited degrees. Then Medical Council of Canada, LMCC. Then USMLE via the Educational Commission for Foreign Medical Graduates, USA. Medical Council of New Zealand, NZX. Medical Council of Ireland, and the National Board of Osteopathic Medical Examiners, Complex US. So if you are eligible for this pathway, which means you are registered with any of the above mentioned authorities and you do not need to take the AMC examination, you can directly register with the AMC by giving the PESCI, which is the pre-employment structured clinical interview. Visit the link in the description and book a free counseling session with Academically's experts to learn more about these pathways. Now heading on to the third pathway, which is the specialist pathway. Now, if you are a specialist, international medical graduate, which is SIMG, then the specialist pathway might be for you. There are 3 subtypes under this pathway, which are: Number 1, specialist recognition if you have already qualified and trained as a specialist overseas. Number 2, specialist area of need if you are applying for a specialist role in a designated shortage area. Number 3, expedited specialist pathway for certain specialties and qualifications that are pre-approved for quicker assessment. So majorly, the specialties eligible for expedited recognition include anesthesia, general practice, obstetrics and gynecology, and lastly psychiatry. So if your qualifications are listed under the expedited specialist pathway, you may be eligible, but you'll need to contact AHPRA directly for confirmation. Now the fourth and the final pathway is the short-term training pathway. The short-term training in a medical specialty pathway is for overseas trained specialists who wants to take and complete a temporary specialist training in Australia. This is not a pathway to general or specialist registration, but a limited short-term opportunity to gain Australian experience in a supervised environment. Based on your eligibility and expectations, you can choose the best pathway to fulfill your Australian registration dreams. We understand that navigating these processes can be overwhelming, but we are here to help. At Academically, we can guide you about the best pathway for your goals and help you complete the same. We also specialize in AMC coaching to help you crack both the AMC exams if you are going through the standard pathway. Visit academically.com to book a free counseling session with our experts and get started on the journey to become a registered doctor in Australia today. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below and we'll answer them in the next future video. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching and all the best on your journey to becoming a licensed medical professional in Australia. I'll see you soon. Bye bye and take care.